Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory with one stocks. And in the previous 2 days I didn't done because I stuck within my other works and I was busy in that. So sorry for that. And we will do today. And from that Saturday or Sunday, I will update for that Monday pre-market predictions. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty. 1 second, I will close my all orders. Yeah. So the previous my analysis on Monday, I already informed that I'm looking only for that bullish scenario, and if it is making a three-way structures, and it could be a bigger triangle also there, or it is the fourth way is still ahead in the formation of irregular flat also. So that means it can go and break this high, and later onwards it can fell like this also. Otherwise it won't break this low and it won't break this high. Intermediate, it will do the 3-5 structures like this. It's a B C D E, and then later onwards it can took off for that this fifth way. So this is my bigger picture for the fourth wave, whether it is still ahead or that it is going to start that fifth wave. But it shows in the 15-minute chart, it's looking like somewhat the correction part only. It is making only the three-way structures in the SGX Nifty. So I will tell you that, and I already informed that before the bigger impulsive is ahead, that market will do like this kind of three-way structures, and then that start to the impulsive also. We will look only for the three-way structures like this. So these are all three-way structures. There's A, B, C, A, or this could be W, this could be X, this could be Y, and this could be X and that Z. So this it's a W, and later onwards it's a X. So A, B, C, or it could be a, this could be the B, and this could be the C. So lot of possibilities here I can make it out. But the market, it's what will be the next predictions for this market in the Nifty. So you have to first understand the bigger picture. While I am talking about this Nifty, it's going to hit my target of 19,500. Once it got bounced from here itself, I informed that if it breaks this, and then it will become a bigger correction, and my target was got nearly that 17,050. Also it reached nearly 16,750 it reached. So in SGX, in Nifty, so in this SGX Nifty, I expected that 17,000 mark, and it is already dead 16,800 850 zone. So now it's a one clear picture that one ABC is got completed. That means it's a WXY. But if it is the Z way is also ahead in the 5-way corrective structure, again it can break. If it breaks this low, definitely there will be again one more 3-way structure. It's there. If it is breaks this low, and where it bounced, again it has to break this low. But in my analysis, as per my this structure and wave count and the pattern, it won't do like this. I'm 90% biased on only this kind of, either it could be a triangle in the bigger fourth wave. So this, it's not a bigger fourth, it's an intermediate fourth wave of this third wave. So 1, 2, 3, and we are in the fourth wave. It is not yet completed, or it's already completed here. That is the question here. So if you need to look in the 15-minute chart, and this is also looking like a three-way structure. So I'm keep the question marks again, because we are not moving the market, but here there is a chances for making WXYZ also. But I don't know whether if it is going to one more deeper correction, that is also valid, because until it breaks this low, it touches this low, that 15,000, because 1, 2, 3 and fourth way cannot overlap this. And here also this perfect equidistant channel, it took the perfect as a support, and then again it bounced. So let's wait for this. Still we are in that looks like a correction mode. So now how I'm expecting here. So as of now, for the shorter term, we can make it this as a stop loss. This is the stop loss, because once if it hit the stop loss, Then what I said the previous, there is a one more low is also available. So it comes to the 16,300 also in the SGX Nifty. But I'm not looking that. So we have to keep this as a stop loss, and we can go further for nearly this 18,300 zone, either in the previous structure, or it could be in WXY exists that formation, whatever it can do. But this is my analysis and this is my predictions for this. And if you go through the 15-minute chart also, it's looking like a one three-way structures, perfect three-way structure is got completed. 1 2 1 2 3. So this part is the connecting wave, and this is the one more ABC. If we kept this as a connecting wave, but I'm not so satisfied with this to keep this as a connecting wave. So what we can do is this kind of one more three-way structure can happen. Later onwards, this becomes a connecting wave, the bigger connecting wave. So this for the correction part, this whole thing will be the correction, and one more high is also possible. So this is my view. But from here also it can make a three-way structure, and then this could be a W, this could be a X, Y. So this is my view so far, and this is my invalidation point for all that bullish. So whether if it is going to make a this kind of diagonal pattern in that the fifth way, that we have to look for the further confirmation. So far this is my view for SGX Nifty. So in the Nifty, if you look in this, it's a little bit slow from today, and it's got struck. One second. And then again I will check, because a lot of times I didn't done that recording also. I spoken to myself and I didn't record that else also. Okay, 1 second, I will just check my internet connection. That's good, seems like. 1 second, I reload this. Sorry for guys, these are all that related in this field. Yeah, let's now try to the Nifty. Yeah, okay. So now here it's looking like that's somewhat 1 2 3 4 or 5, or it could be A B C, and from here it's a B C, perfect ABC. Later onwards, this is the A, this is the B, and C looks like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So what else you need? This is the W, this is the X, or this could be the A, this could be the next what I am expecting in that SGX Nifty, then B, and then C. To reach this, later onwards we will update, right? So this for today, this is my analysis for the tomorrow. So let's hope tomorrow, I think it may be next to 17,000, and it can close in that 17,060, because I watched this weekly candle. It looks like bullish, but if it close this of 17,036 like that, it will be a perfect doji. That is means the indecision candle. So once ABC, where it is going to do that, we will see in the next week. So my prediction may be, if it is valid, means tomorrow it will be heavy sell off, maybe in the three-way structures or whatever. So let's wait for this to close in that 17,035, the previous major support zone. And if it is closes here, then it will be in that weekly analysis, the weekly candle will be the doji, and then I'm looking only for that bullish scenario. So what we will do, the next one stock is KIOCL. It's a Kudraimukh Iron Ore Company Limited. So there is no count in this, just only the price action and the pattern I found. It's a very interesting in this, and I keep on watching from the 230, and I booked the profit from here. I watched from this here in this zone, and keep on watching from this zone, the 240 to 230 zone, and then it's a breakout here. Later onwards, it looks like in that daily chart here, it's one impulsive 1 5 structure is got completed here. So what I thought is one three-way, after the three-way structure, I need to buy. Exactly, I bought, and from here the 243, here I bought. What it happens here is I expecting for that one more five-way structures to complete above the 325, 350, but here it looks like not, and the previous resistance zone, it is also not fine. So I immediately I exit my position here itself. 260 also I exited here once this candle's formation, after the it formed. So after that also I keep on waiting, and it is already reached, and it has already broken this low also. And this candle, it's also looking like a bullish, it's an inverted hammer, and the candle closes above this high. What I did is from this, then I immediately I bought here. 1 second, yeah, I bought again here, and I booked the profit here. It's once this, because it's already broken this low, so immediately once it reached this zone, immediately I booked the profit, because I'm expecting this has to happen. This has to happen because it's a one impulsive wave. After this become a B, will become an irregular flat formation, and this kind of impulsive wave I'm expected later onwards if it reached here, and I will be in that buy. But what happened here, once I exited my position, immediately it shoots to 320. Then only I recognized. So this is somewhat interesting and the different kind of pattern. So what is this? Because I don't have any count in this, I will show you that the weekly chart. 1 second, that something, it's a, yeah, this is the one impulsive wave. Later onwards, nearly it almost done the previous low also, it's nearly 80 to 90%. After this, it's looking like a somewhat, it's a five-way structure, it's looking like a five-way structure. So ABC is got completed, and again I'm looking for this A, and this is a B, and this as a C. So here I took my, yesterday it's 228 I bought, because in this daily chart it already, here it came aggressively and it bounced, so I bought only at 228 here, but later on it came down also. And again what I am having one pattern is, it's entirely different. That is it's looking like an expanded triangle here, this kind of triangle. So that will happens only in that B wave, or it could be a fourth wave, right, or X wave, anyway. So after once this A, here B, C, D, and E, later on I am expecting only the three-way structures to the high. So this is my target, and the first target is it has to break this 320, and later onwards I'm expecting if it is a bigger three-way structure, it's nearly, it has to reach that 450. So this is my analysis in this KIOCL, and I already in that 228 I already in here, but I won't place stop loss, and this is I won't trade only in the cash equity. So I will average once, but we need to watch here what kind of formation it is, an impulsive wave or it is struggling to keep moving, and then I will decide. But I can't update it here because I'm not updating in the chart. So if I found any time, I will just update it for all that what I have updated in the previous. So this is my analysis in KIOCL. I'm looking for the target of 325, and the next target is 440. So hope you enjoyed this, and have a nice weekend to everybody, and we will see you in the Saturday or Sunday for that next Monday pre-market predictions. Have a nice wonderful weekend to everybody. Bye.